friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kesharwani. Today I will discuss about the separating techniques, and first techniques of the separating techniques is the evaporation. Now discuss evaporation. Firstly discuss what is the evaporation. As you know, when a liquid substance is converted into gaseous form, that conversion and that process is said to be evaporation. So, what is the evaporation? The process in which liquid substance converted into gaseous form called as evaporation. Means ऐसा प्रोसेस जिसमें कोई लिक्विड सब्सटेंस डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट हो जाए गैसियस फॉर्म में, दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड इवापोरेशन. नाउ evaporation process is used for that component which is converted into gaseous form or vapor form, and those substances which convert into gaseous form or vapor form are called volatile substance. Means what is the volatile substance? Those substance which convert into gaseous form or vapor form called as volatile substance. As you know, water is also converted to vapor form. That's why they are also called volatile substance, right? Now, how the evaporation process is used for which type of compound? So, evaporation, it is used to separate the volatile substance from non-volatile substance. Non-volatile substance, right? Example: dye in water, that is ink. Dye term is used for the colored substance, right? So dye in water present. How we separate dye from water? Let's see what is the process. Take a tripod stand. This is Bunsen burner. Where asbestos, this is wire gauze. यहाँ पर एक एस्बेस्टॉस सब्सटेंस की कोटिंग होती है जो कि जलता नहीं है. अब इसके पास ऊपर हम एक बीकर रखते हैं, उस बीकर में वाटर प्रेजेंट है. This beaker have water. After that, we kept the watch glass, right? Watch glass where ink is present. Ink is present. When Bunsen burner is burned out, fired out, then after that the water present in this beaker start to boil. Boil होना शुरू होता है और the vapor goes to the upward side. That's why the ink present in this watch glass, this is watch glass. Ink present in this watch glass become heated up, and then after the water present in this ink mixture get evaporated, and after some time this is water vapor, and after some time only ink is present here, so we can separate the ink dye in water by the evaporation process. Similarly, we can also separate the common salt, that is NaCl, from the sea water. This is also by the evaporation process. By the evaporation, all the water present in the sea water gets evaporated and only common salt we get. Right? Now, the second techniques we used is the centrifugation technique. Centrifugation technique. What is the centrifugation technique and which substance we used for the separating by the centrifugation technique? Actually, we use the colloidal particles from the solution. We separate the colloidal particles from the solution. अब centrifugation techniques how work, कैसे काम करता है? What is the principle behind this? Principle. When two components have different density are present and they spun rapidly, उसे बहुत तेजी से रोटेट किया है, then the denser particles are forced at the bottom while the lighter particles float on the top. Means जब हमारे पास एक ऐसा कंपोनेंट हो जिसमें दो सब्सटेंसेस हो और जिनकी डेंसिटी डिफरेंट हो, अगर उसे बहुत तेजी से रोटेट करें, then after the higher density substances force to the bottom, and the lighter particles are come at the upward side. When two different density and two different density when different density substances are present which spun rapidly, बहुत तेजी से घुमाए, then higher density substance forced at the bottom while lighter density substance present is the basic principle of the centrifugation technique, and the machine which is used for spinning of that solution are called centrifugation machine or centrifuge machine. And the machine used for this process is called centrifuge machine. And centrifuge machine is actually two types. Centrifuge machine is actually two types. First one is the manually, and second one is the electrical. Manually means by hand. Electrical centrifuge machine is automatically. मैनुअली किसी चीज को रोटेट करिए बाय हैंड, जैसे आपके घरों में आपने देखा होगा मिक्सर को आप प्रेस करते हैं बटन तो दे रोटेट, बहुत तेजी से रोटेट करने लगता है, दैट इज द इलेक्ट्रिकली एंड दैट इज द ऑटोमेटिकली. अगर किसी चीज को हम बाय हैंड रोटेट करवाते हैं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड मैनुअली. मैनुअली के नॉर्मल सा डायग्राम मैं आपको दिखाता हूं. इस तरीके से इसमें चीजें लगी हुई होती है. टेस्ट ट्यूब होता है, ये टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर है, ये लिड है, इसको बंद करने का. तो मैं आपको इंटरनल पार्ट दिखा रहा हूँ, दैट इज टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर. इसमें टेस्ट ट्यूब में टेस्ट ट्यूब में सब्सटेंस को हम ले लेते हैं और एक साइड प्लेस कर देते हैं. लेकिन ध्यान रहे जब भी हम इसका यूज करते हैं, एक टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर में हमने एक टेस्ट ट्यूब को फिल कर दिया तो इसके अपोजिट कॉर्नर में भी हमें एक टेस्ट ट्यूब को उसी क्वांटिटी के अकॉर्डिंग सब्सटेंस को फिल करना होगा, नहीं तो हमारी टेस्ट ट्यूब ब्रेक हो जाएगी. अगर हमारे पास एक ही सॉल्यूशन है दूसरे अपोजिट कॉर्नर में अपोजिट साइड में उसको फिल करने के लिए हम नॉर्मल टेस्ट ट्यूब में वाटर को भरकर भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं. इसे हम ऑटोमेटिकली रोटेट करवा दें, जिसकी वजह से बहुत तेजी से चीजें घूमती हैं और जो हायर मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, हायर डेंसिटी के मॉलिक्यूल, वो नीचे बैठ जाते हैं और जो लाइटर डेंसिटी के मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं वो ऊपर फ्लोट करते हैं, तो जिससे चीजें अलग हो जाती हैं. बाय दिस प्रोसेस वी कैन सेपरेट द हाई डेंसिटी मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम द लोअर डेंसिटी मॉलिक्यूल. दिस टेक्निक इज used in number 1 diagnostic laboratories for testing of blood and urine. ब्लड एंड यूरिन टेस्ट करने के लिए इसको डायग्नोस्टिक लैबोरेटरी मतलब पैथोलॉजी लैब में भी इसका यूज किया जाता है. Now the second techniques, what is the second use? It is used to separate cream from milk. तो साइंटिफिकेशन टेक्निक से हम लैब में भी इसका यूज करते हैं, और मिल्क में से क्रीम को निकालना हो तो भी हम इसको अलग, तो भी हम साइंटिफिकेशन टेक्निक का यूज करते हैं। साइंटिफिकेशन टेक्निक से मिल्क में से क्रीम कैसे निकाला जाता है हम सब जानते हैं। क्रीम यूज फैट मॉलिक्यूल, फैट मॉलिक्यूल्स हायर डेंसिटी का है, वो नीचे बॉटम में सेट हो जाता है और ऊपर केवल और केवल मिल्क रह जाता है, और जो क्रीम हम उसको अलग कर लेते हैं। So by this process we separate all these things. Now the third technique, is separating funnel. सेपरेटिंग फनल, सेपरेटिंग फनल है क्या चीज और कैसे हम इसका यूज करते हैं? एक्चुअली सेपरेटिंग फनल इज यूज्ड फॉर दोस लिक्विड्स व्हिच इज इमिसिबल. इट इज यूज्ड टू सेपरेट टू immiscible liquid. What is miscible and immiscible? Those liquids which are mixed with each other are called miscible liquids, and those liquids which are not mixed to each other, जैसे आप oil ले लें, water ले लें, when you mix to each other they cannot mix to each other. Oil and water cannot mix to each other. That water ले लें and alcohol ले लें, they mix to each other, they are called miscible liquids. Okay, so now how can you get it? Based on the fact that two liquids have different density are separate as layer, and those liquid which have higher density goes to the bottom, and those liquid which have low density come at the upward side. Higher density present at lower, while low density float on it. Low density जो liquid होगा वो float करेगा. Now what is the diagram of the separating funnel? This is the lid. This is the stop corner. Our first, let us take an example. If you have mixture of kerosene, oil and water, we fill the mixture in this separating funnel. As you know, water have higher density as compared to the kerosene oil, so the water is present at the lower side. Take an example, kerosene oil plus water, right? Water is present at the lower side, while kerosene oil is present at the upside because they have low density. This is beaker. We open the stop car and the water is come from this separating funnel into the beaker, and slowly we stop the stop car when this level is come at this end. By this process we can use the kerosene oil from the water, right? Now the fourth technique is the sublimation technique. Fourth technique is sublimation. As you know, in the first chapter we discussed what is the sublimation, the process in which the solid substances directly goes into the gaseous form are called sublimation. Means the process in which solid substance directly goes into the gaseous form. This process is called sublimation, and the substance is called sublimate substance. Various examples given. Sublimate substance like example camphor, ammonium chloride, naphthalene, anthracene, iodine, etc. These are the sublimate substances. Sublimation process is used for the separating the solid volatile component from the mixture. It is used for separate separate volatile substance from mixture. Example, camphor plus common salt, that is NaCl. How can you separate the camphor from the common salt? So your answer should be, by the sublimation process we can separate the camphor from the common salt. How you can separate? Let's see. This is tripod stand and use the Bunsen burner, right? Bunsen burner, and place a wire gauze on it. This is made of the wire, right? And place a watch glass on it, right? On which the mixture is present. Here, mixture is present, right? And put an inverted inverted funnel, funnel को उल्टा, and glass funnel, you use the glass funnel, inverted glass funnel, right? And you place the cotton plug, wet cotton plug, and also you wrap the cotton, wet cotton on it, wrap it, इस पर एकदम लपेट दीजिए, wet cotton, wrapped wet cotton, right? When you fire the Bunsen burner, then the mixture is heated up, right? And the volatile substance means sublimate substance. The sublimate substance goes into the vapor form and goes upward. This is the sublimate substance, right? But here the environment is cold because this is wet. That's why the sublimate substance get stuck on this funnel wall. इस पर जाकर के चिपक जाएंगे क्योंकि ये ठंडा है. And that sublimate substance convert into vapor form into solid form. यहाँ पर तो आपने हीट दिया. That's why the sublimate substance goes into vapor form. ये वेपर फॉर्म ऊपर गया, यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट ठंडा है, that's why they convert into solid form, and here all these sublimate substances are stuck on this wall, and here the common salt is present. Here like as camphor plus common salt, right? तो कैम्फर वेपर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट होगा, उसका वेपर ऊपर जाएगा और वेट एनवायरनमेंट होने की वजह से द कैम्फर मॉलिक्यूल्स आर गेट स्टक ऑन दिस वॉल, while the common salt is non-sublimate substance that is present on the watch glass. It is present on the watch glass. So by this process we can separate all these things. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel who is new one. Thank you.